for a salon kind of a blow dry look at home, I will show you all how you can do that. Hello all, welcome back to my channel, me Vasu. In this video, I'm going to show you all the step-by-step process I'm following to do my hairstyling. Currently, I'm using my Revlon One Step Volumizer. This is the magic wand in my hand because it converts my hair so nicely. I mean, we instantly get the blow dry kind of a look that we get at salon. Show you all the options we have here. Normally it is off, then it has a cool, low and a high. So we have 3 steps for this. Let's start. Partition the hair as per your convenience. This is a one-step volumizer and hair dryer, but I mostly use it for styling my hair. Before using the dryer, I use a little bit of serum of the Moroccan oil hair oil and apply all over my hair. And we'll use the heat protection spray that will help protect the hair from heat. I usually start with a low heat and then change it to high and repeat it a couple of times until I feel that I got that softness for the hair I am looking for. One thing I love about this hair dryer is the ease to handle it, and it doesn't tangle my hair at all. If you see now, the hair is almost styled and I'm feeling that the required shape I'm expecting is almost there, and I will repeat the same process a couple of times and apply the cool shot so that the hairstyle that I'm expecting is in place. It's done, and now you can clearly see the difference between both the sides. It has a lot of shine as well. Now let's do for this side. If you're somebody like me with a lengthy hair and looking for some hairstyling tool and blow dry kind of a look at home in a very simple way, here you go with this one-step volumizer. When the hair looks good, it's always a happy face. I'm repeating the same process with other sections of my hair and using the hair protector spray and the serum as required. I usually concentrate on the front section of my hair because I have a layer cut, and that is the best part that gives the look of the blow dry. And don't forget to use the cool shot every time you want to set the style of the hair. We are almost done with the half section of our hair now. So nice! It takes 15 to 20 minutes to complete half section of my hair because I have a lengthy hair. Otherwise, it depends on the hair length. Here we go with the shiny styled hair and the blow dry kind of a look we get at salon. Now I am repeating the same process with the other section of my hair. Also, to be frank, I use this only to style my hair, and to dry my hair on the scalp I use the regular hair dryer because this has to be kept very much close to the scalp. I am not that comfortable, but they always mention that it is good to even apply very much near to the scalp. We are almost done with the complete hair now. It took me almost 45 minutes to completely style my hair, and this is the final look. That's it. Hope you all like the video. So this is the blow dry kind of a look at home. there is one small thing I should say, that I didn't find this in India. I took it in US, so I'm not sure if you will be able to get the same thing in India, but you can try in a similar fashion so that you can get this blow dry kind of a look at home. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, me, Vasu.